what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to quickly install and set up Magma TV on your Amazon Fire TV, Fire TV Stick, and Fire TV Cube. If you want to continue seeing these Firestick tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful content. First, we need to prepare your device. Go to the homepage search bar and download the Downloader app. After installation, don't open it yet. Go to your Firestick settings, tap My Fire TV, then tap About. Tap your device name 7 times until the system prompts you that developer options are unlocked. Go back to the previous page, turn on developer options, enable ADB debugging, and allow Downloader to install unknown apps. This is a crucial step for successfully installing Magma TV. Now open Downloader. In the address bar at the top, accurately enter this code, 5258336. Wait a few seconds for the page to load, and after the download is complete, click Install. After installation, do not open it immediately. Click Finish, then delete the installation package files. This will free up storage space, allowing your Firestick to run smoothly. After the application installation is complete, return to the home screen, find Magma TV, and open it. Once on the initial screen, click Add to Playlist in the upper right corner. Then click Smarters in the lower left corner. Please note that Magma TV is just a media player. It doesn't automatically provide channel content. You need to use your own legally owned streaming service or provider information to complete the configuration. If you're unsure how to proceed, click the link in the description below my video or the pinned comment and send them the screenshot you just took. They will help you complete the configuration based on your device information. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Firestick tutorial.